Hi everyone, this is Liana with Céilí Nua, and I'm going to quickly go over with you today the basic jig steps. We're going to travel with our jig steps, starting with left leg in front, right leg behind. You're going to bring that foot from behind forward and to the side of the knee, and then to the other side, kick, and take a step. So try that again. Left leg is in front, bringing the right leg forward. And 1, 2, out, step. One more time. And 1, 2, out, step. Good. Now we're going to add on to that. Left leg is in front. You go 1, 2, out, forward, back, forward. You should end up with the weight on your right foot. Try that again. Ready, and 1, 2, out, forward, back, forward. Now we're going to add on to that, starting with the left leg in front. You go 1, 2, out, 1, 2, 3. Your weight should be on that right foot. Now your left leg is going to come in front with 1, 2, out, 1, 2, 3. Try that both together. Left leg is in front. Ready, and 1, 2, out, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, out, 1, 2, 3. What it looks like from behind. Right foot's in back here. Ready, and 1, 2, out, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, out, 1, 2, 3. Now that we have the footwork, we're going to add the hops to it. You're going to have 3 hops on your left foot. So it looks like this. You have 1, 2, 3, and then take your step. Try that, and 1, 2, 3. One more time, and 1, 2, 3. With the hops and the footwork, starting with your left foot in front. Ready, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. As you can see, on the 1, 2, 3s, the feet are crossed. You don't want to have your feet out here. You don't want to be in place with your feet parallel like this. Have a nice cross with the heels out. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like from behind. Ready, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. I'm going to show you now the finishing step to the jig. You want your left leg in front and your right leg behind. You're going to bring that right leg up and forward right above the knee, and then take a step back, and then take a step back. Try that again, and up, step back, step back. Now with your left foot, bring it forward with up, step back, step back. Now we're going to try that again, but 4 times through. Bringing that right foot up in front and 2 steps back. Ready, and up, step back, step back, up, step back, step back, up, step back, step back, up, step back, step back. Good. For this, you also want to make sure the knee doesn't open up to the side when you lift your foot. Make sure that knee is straight forward. Now we're going to add in the hops into our footwork. You're going to have 2 hops on one leg and then take your step back. It looks like this. And hop, hop back, step back. Hop, hop back, step back. Ready, and hop, hop back, step back. Hop, hop back, step back. Good. Now we have our footwork and the hops. Now we need the finishing 1, 2, 3, 4s. Start with the left leg in front, bringing the right foot up with our 2 hops and back. Hop, hop, back. You're going to do 1 other hop to go back, hop, and then back, forward, back, forward. Try that again, and hop, hop back, forward, back, forward. Good. Now when you try it, try and stay up on your toes like this the whole time. If you can't, don't worry about it. If you can try it. We're going to try it one on each side. Ready, and hop back, 2, 3, 4. Hop back, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to turn around now so you can see what it looks like from the back. Starting with the left foot in front, right foot behind. Ready, and hop back, 2, 3, 4. Hop back, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to put everything together with the traveling step and the finishing footwork. So it looks like this. You have 3 of them. You have 1, 2, 3. Now that finishing step. Hop back, hop, 1, 2, 3, 4. Try it with me. Ready, and 1, 2, 3. Now the finishing. Hop back, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now we're going to try it all together, both sides, without stopping. Ready, and 1, 2, 3. Hop back, 2, 3, 4. Right. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hop back, 2, 3, 4. Well, that's your basic jig step. You can use it in Céilí dancing or as solo stuff, whichever you like. And you can do it flat-footed until you start to build up those muscles, getting it up high on the toes like that. Whichever is comfortable for you. So hope you enjoyed the video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye for now.